All right, welcome. So I bet you've come into a situation like this. You have got your iPhone on your Mac, and I am backing it up. Yes, I prefer to back it up on my Mac instead of waste space in the iCloud. And what I want to do is actually download my photos. Now, the problem is I don't use photos, and maybe I want to put my photos on an external drive so I can take them other places or use them on a different device. So how in the world do you do that on a Mac? And truthfully, it's actually really easy, but it's just a hidden feature that I think nobody knows about. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to easily take your photos from your iPhone and put them on an external drive. And it's super easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the launch pad. And so the launch pad is located right here. It's this little rocket ship. And you're going to click on that. And then it's going to open up. And then you're going to have this little thing usually called Other. And it's got a bunch of applications in there that you don't know exist. So what we're looking for is this thing right here called image capture. So we're going to go ahead and click this. This is going to allow you to download your images without ever using photos or anything else. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to import, and I've already imported mine to iPhone backup. But basically you can pick the location. All you need to do is come down here to Other. And then when this window comes up, you can just navigate. You can create another folder. Now, in my case, I've already backed up all these images, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit choose and show you how this works. And then you notice up here, there's a little thing up here, and it's recognizing my iPhone. So I can easily select that. Now it's asking me to unlock it, so I'm just going to go ahead and unlock my phone. And then just like that, my photos appear. Now you have your choice down here. You can have them appear in a little grid, or you can have them appear this way. Truthfully, it doesn't matter. And then if you just want to import a few images, what you can do is just select that image. So anything highlighted is going to be selected. So I'm highlighting it. All right. If you want to highlight multiple images, you can hold down the Command key. Anything that you will select will be imported. Or you can do something called a shift click. So if you wanted to do a series, you click on the first one, you hold shift, you go to the last one, and then it's going to import all those. In my case, I want to do them all, so I could simply just hit Command A to select them all. Or you can come down here and just hit Import All. Or if you were just doing the one or two, where you were just had one selected, you just hit Import, and that would just import that one. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Import All. And bam, just like that, it is done. So here's my iPhone backup, and there are all like 1,800 or 1,600 of the images that I just imported on my phone to an external hard drive. It's just the easiest process, and it doesn't take any time at all. Now, it is not deleting your images from your iPhone. You can go through and manually do that. Or when you download from photos, you can tell it to delete them as it imports them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.